everybody. Thank you for joining me at Lori Houston Art. I'm hoping I've got a good view here because I'm in my spinner box for my blooms today, and I am doing a flower pop on glass. This is an 11 by 14 inch piece of glass from one of my frames that I get at Michael's. I have it on my spinner. I won't be spinning. It's just a little bit. It keeps it off of the container that I'm using here, and then I can just easily pick it up and put it wherever it needs to go. This one's going to be purple. I haven't really done a purple glass flower pop. I've mixed up some cool paints. This is Master's Touch Cobalt Blue. It's still a purpley tone. And then I took the same color and added white to it. And then we've got, this is Tri-Art Dioxazine Violet. And this is their fluid paint. And then I think I'm going to put a little bit, I have a little of this Porage Posse Galaxy Blue Shimmer. I have a little of that left. I think I'm going to swipe with white and blow with black today. We're going to see. So let's go ahead and get some of these colors laid down. I did mix up some of the colors. Oh, I don't know if it was last weekend. I decided to get some good colors going for flower pops. And I just thought these colors would be different and fun. Let's see. I'm going to put a little bit of this light color down now. And I'm hoping there's enough contrast since I am going to swipe with white. I don't know, you know, I'm hoping that this dioxazine purple doesn't take over here. I really needed it to be in a bottle. So we're going to be very careful when we put some of this on. Here we go. I don't want to pour big globs. Like that. I don't want to pour big globs, but I did. Okay. I'm thinking this will be a pretty one on glass. I know when my husband said, "You need to get painting." I never thought I'd hear him say that. Oh, it's been just great. I have so many people. Oh my gosh, I'm just so thankful that I have people that are loving these flower pops as much as me. Okay, that looks really pretty, really dreamy. I really like it. Let's just mix it up a little bit here. All right, now we're gonna spread it out. I'm gonna use just, I didn't put a lot of paint on here. I found with the glass, you don't want a whole lot. Okay, I'm gonna get it all over to the edge. I'm leaving my swipe line bare today. I do like these colors. I don't know if it was smart to mix these together. We're gonna find out. Okay, I'll stick this down here. I am going to zig some of this on here, some of this lighter color, and a little bit of this one, just for some contrast. All right, pretty, pretty, pretty. All right, I am going to use Blick White, and I'm gonna go grab it. I'll be right back. Okay, let's add that white swipe line on the top. And I'm going to do it kind of thick. I do like the contrast. These frames are only 11 by 14, so they are small. And I think the white makes the flowers pop when you add more color on the top. So I've decided to use plastic, and that's a surface swipe pull. When I use this plastic, I try to keep the plastic stored under something that keeps it very straight so that it doesn't bow and create what I just created here. So I start off doing a flower that I do not like, and I'm going to skip over this part because I end up scraping it, and we're going to go to the flower that I keep. See you there. Okay, so you can see that flower on the bottom. I'll show it to you a little later where I scrape it, and I decide to go with my typical let's go up in the corner flower. They just seem to do best on this smaller pieces of glass. I do love the colors, but goodness gracious, did I have to work for these flowers. There was a lot of things I had to do after to separate the petals, so it's going to be important that I show you the dried results because I did fiddle-faddle with it for quite a while. Loving these flowers, love this purple. These two are going great, but you know I had that spot that I didn't like at the bottom of the frame where the plastic was a little bit bowed and it created that gap. I like the gap sometimes, but in this particular painting, nah, not so much. So now I'm going to show you the full screen where I just get this brilliant idea to use that gap as a vase, a vase. No, you see it there? That is not going to work. So I said, well, let me play around with it. And then I realized, well, that other flower does not match the two at the top at all. So let's regroup, scrape, and do something very, very familiar and typical. I'm going to take you to that next step. I will see you there. Okay, let's scrape it off. And I'm really shocked at the end result, how you can put that swipe line on there and have it really blend together at the end. And I was like, that vase is pitiful. Let's face it. I don't know what I'm doing at this point. So let's just swipe the whole thing, keep those two beautiful flowers at the top. And to be honest with you, the end result really turned out. So let's work through these petals and flowers, and I will see you there. Okay, so I'm going to continue to fiddle-faddle with this. It was a lot of work. It is because I didn't have a lot of distinction in color, which is fine. Again, this sold. Thank you to the beautiful person that bought this painting, Pretty in Purple. I'm going to show you the final results. I did put this in a black frame, and I'm just so thrilled. I've decided to do a full series. Pretty in and all the colors on the color wheel is the game plan. All my paintings on glass, my flower pops, I've done 3. There's been some themed flower pops on glass, but they've all sold. And I'm just so humble and so gracious. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Here it is. I ended up varnishing this one, and I just am in love with the colors. They pop.
It turned out beautiful. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate everyone that continues to support me. Take care. Till next time.